Corredor building by Pereda Studio in Chihuahua, Mexico. Located in the city of Chihuahua, in the Panamericana neighborhood, a strategically positioned area with abundant infrastructure, Edificio Corredor is situated on an irregularly shaped plot of 60 square meters, adjacent to a gym that previously housed an underutilized warehouse lacking ventilation, lighting, and a connection to its surroundings. This warehouse space has been transformed into a small to medium-scale multi-purpose building to reverse the deterioration of the area and the trend of displacing housing for commercial purposes. The building consists of 3 flexible units. The ground floor has been designed as a pedestrian and vehicular access lobby, providing a warm welcome to users due to its friendly scale. The core of vertical circulations and access to the apartments features a lattice and open heights that ensure permeability and natural ventilation. This strategy contributes to a constant flow of air and natural light, significantly improving the environmental quality indoors. The distribution of the 3 units follows a vertical scheme, stacking them on top of each other. A central volume houses bathroom and kitchen facilities, optimizing internal paths and utilities. The studios have an open space design, maximizing every square meter and preserving privacy through the use of movable and lightweight elements such as curtains and multifunctional furniture. The social and kitchen areas merge through the implementation of a multifunctional piece of furniture designed to optimize 3 functions in one: dining area, living room, and kitchen support bar. The choice of materials and tones seeks practicality, durability, and warmth. Exposed concrete surfaces in visible structures, stucco on walls, and polished concrete for interior floors have been selected for their low maintenance, providing an appearance resistant to time and use. Additionally, natural finished wood is used to add warmth and contrast to the gray surfaces. The last level consists of a social rooftop that serves multiple purposes. In addition to concealing equipment and laundry areas, a common use space with a barbecue has been created, an important element in the social dynamics of Chihuahua's residents. From this rooftop, residents can enjoy panoramic 360-degree views, encompassing both the urban horizon and the natural beauty of the surrounding hills.